The entire product range has been certified according to EN 54 in A+. All certifications are complete. The product is certified to the latest standards, including the next electrical safety standard EN 62368. The product range has been designed specifically for Europe, using technology modules that have been tested in the field in the Chinese market. The Wave 1 product range is limited but allows you to build most typical facilities. All devices are designed to be connected to your bases. Its easy connection and not polarity facilitates its quick installation and prevents connection failures. The Draco JVE P2L1 panel is suitable for small and medium installations. It has one loop expandable to 2 through its expansion card, up to a total of 400 mixed devices. The panel has two auxiliary outputs of 24 volts and 2 amperes each for use in the field, so you can save an external power supply and its maintenance. It has two independent voltage-free relays, one for failure and one for alarm. It also has a USB port to be able to update the system, load languages, save historical events, and save and load schedules made with the config programming software tool. The Draco panel is designed so that a single person is able to install it. There's the option to install an external box for the printer in which we can select which events or reports we want to print. The base panel can house standard 12 volts batteries, 2 per 7 amperes or 2 per 12 amperes, and if necessary, we also have an auxiliary box optional for batteries up to 17 amperes. The Draco panel case has different inputs to access with tube up to 20 mm. The JVE 2100 rearmable addressable push button stands out for its robustness and easy installation. It does not have breakage elements. It does not need spare parts in case of activation. It is EN 54-11 certified. It has no polarity. The JVE 2100 push button must be programmed with the JVE 81 tool. The JVE 2111 detector stands out for its beautiful aesthetics and low profile. All of them are certified under EN 54-7. It has 3 programmable sensitivities that can be dynamically switched from the panel. You have the possibility to deactivate the LED using the JVE 81 programmer if required. The JVE 2111 detector also allows you to connect a remote indicator or pilot to it using the 4-contact base. It stands out for having no polarity. The JVE 2111 detector must be programmed with the JVE 81 tool. The JVE 2106 detector stands out for its beautiful aesthetics and low profile. It is an N54-5 certified temperature detector approved for classes A2, A2S, and A2R. It has 3 programmable sensitivities that can be dynamically switched from the panel. You have the possibility to deactivate the LED using the JVE 81 programmer if required. The JVE 2106 detector also allows you to connect a remote indicator or pilot to it using the 4-contact base. It stands out for having no polarity. The JVE 2106 detector must be programmed with the JVE 81 tool. The JVE 2115 addressable detector combines the 2 technologies, smoke and temperature, and is EN54-5A2 and EN54-7 certified. It has 6 sensitivity profiles, selectable from the fire plant, dynamic change of heat, smoke, or combination. It stands out for having no polarity. The JVE2115 detector must be programmed with the JVE81 tool. The JVE2135 addressable siren is designed to cause low visual impact. It is certified with EN54-3. It has a great sound power that reaches up to 100 decibels at 1 meter, which allows to cover a large area. The JVE2135 requires 24 volts power supply provided directly from the Draco panel. The compatible base for this model is the JVE2165. The addressable siren must be programmed with the JVE81 tool. The JVE2145 addressable siren is designed to cause low visual impact. It has an easy-to-see flashlight from anywhere. It is certified with EN54-3. It has a great sound power that reaches up to 100 decibels at 1 meter, which allows to cover a large area. The JVE2145 requires 24 power supply provided directly from the Draco panel. The compatible base for this model is the JVE2165. The addressable siren must be programmed with the JVE81 tool. The module of a JVE2120 addressable input allows us to collect or monitor states, weather bulbs, gates, etc. It is certificate with EN54-18. The connection base included in its box allows you to make all your connections very easy. On the front of the module has 2 LEDs that will indicate its status. Includes a 10K resistor to monitor the line. The JVE2120 addressable input module must be programmed with the JVE81 tool. The JVE2125 addressable I/O module can be used as a relay output or as a monitored output. It has supervised confirmation input with a resistance of 10K. It is certificate with EN54-18. The connection base included in its box allows you to make all your connections very easy. On the front of the module, it has 2 LEDs that will indicate its status. The JVE2125 addressable I/O module must be programmed with the JVE81 tool. The JVE2150 isolator module allows you to isolate the installation of a short circuit in loop mode. It is EN54-17 certified. In case of short circuit, the module has 2 LEDs to indicate on which side the fault is located. Relay-based, robust, and has no serial voltage drop. Simplifies easy location in case of breakdown. The loop opens when the module is removed from the base. The isolator is also insensitive to polarity, but the polarity must be the same on both sides. The JVE2101 conventional alarm push button stands out for its robustness, sample installation, and compatibility with other conventional systems. It is EN54-11 certificate. It has impedances of 470, 684 alarm states, and with the possibility to externally install the resistance valve needed to adapt, so it is compatible with most conventional systems. The JVE81 tool is designed to program and read device addresses. Allows individual or multiple activation of the LEDs of the devices by connecting it to the loop, even before connecting it to the panel. The battery life of the encoder allows you to program a large number of directions.